Holy crap. Oh, he's coming to get the second one. Even closer. Thank you.
Yeah. This is the best I've ever seen them for all these years I've been coming up here.
Wow.
You normally never see them out.
Mom, I bought over 800 pictures of them.
Mom, I've been taking a video the whole time.
Video the whole time. I put over 800 pictures, Mom. I will send them to you. He was up there. He ate a whole bamboo stick up there.
Mom, I've been videoing since he was up there.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
You two's gonna get filled up with panda videos today. I'm serious. I've never seen. Usually you have to wait hours to even see them come out.
Well, where's the other one? I walked inside.
It's up over on top up there.
I didn't see the other
It
one.
was it's laying up on top.
Hold on.
Look.
That is so good.
Where are they?
I want to show you when he's going.
Alright, we'll step back so somebody else can come.